This could be the vehicle you're looking for. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 1.6-liter, 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include an alarm system, keyless entry, rain-sensing wipers, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, sport suspension, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find adjustable lumbar seats, internet connectivity, heated steering wheel, leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.